Are you ready to elevate your foot game and boost your income? Today, we're diving deep into maximizing your earnings by selling feet pics on FeetFinder. So, let's kick off those shoes and explore more advanced tips that will help you stand out and sell more effectively. Starting with the basics, the platform you choose can make or break your success. FeetFinder isn't just any platform. It's a specialized marketplace with over 100,000 creators and a massive audience craving foot content. Here's why it's top notch. It verifies all users to ensure security, focuses exclusively on foot-related content, and maintains a reputation for privacy and protection. When you choose FeetFinder, you're stepping onto a solid foundation that is built for your content type. Next up, let's talk security and reaching the right audience. FeetFinder offers robust security measures to protect your content and your personal info. But it's not just about feeling safe, it's about connecting effectively. This platform ensures that your beautiful feet photos reach buyers specifically looking for what you offer, be it the classic elegance of a high arched foot or a bold statement of inked toes. To really shine on FeetFinder, your content must pop. Experiment with lighting, angles, and props to enhance your visual appeal. Remember, each photo is a potential sale, so make it count. And don't forget to keep things fresh and exciting with various themes and styles that reflect your unique flair. Turning clicks into cash isn't just about great photos. It's also about smart selling. Pricing your pics right is crucial. Too high may scare your buyers away, while too low could undervalue your work. Do your research, understand your market, and adjust accordingly. And let's not overlook the SEO. Using the right keywords in your titles and descriptions can drive more traffic to your profile. Think terms like silky soles or creative toe rings to hook those niche buyers. Beyond single sales, the real magic happens when you connect and maintain relationships with your buyers. More sellers see more earnings with repeat customers. Nurturing relationships with existing buyers not only encourages repeat sales, but also builds a loyal following. Engage with your buyers, respond to their requests, and keep them excited with sneak peeks and updates. It's about creating community as much as it is about selling. And there you have it. Maximizing your earnings on FeetFinder is all about leveraging the platform's strengths, connecting with the right audience, and ensuring your content is top notch. Dive in, use these tips, and watch as your side hustle grows into a thriving business. Ready to start selling? Head over to FeetFinder and get verified today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips and check out our other videos for all things foot photography. Thanks for watching and keep those cameras snapping. Remember, every step you take on FeetFinder brings you closer to those dream earnings. See you next time and keep those profits stepping up.